I mean, they're paying $15 for an insurance, if you will, where ours is half of that.
The membership's
and
half.
We're local.
And there's no deductible. I mean,
You don't have to ship your phone out, wait all those times. I mean,
yeah,
there's
get
so
it
many.
done at a Techy.
Yeah.
It really, I think the foundation of this service that we're providing, this membership that we're providing, started on the customer level, understanding that the user experience in the insurance world on electronics devices was just a nightmare.
Yeah.
Right? It's all these third parties. I have to call 3 different people. I get pulled in 10 different directions. Oh, that's not covered, or you pay twice for that. And we understood that, hey guys, we can do this in house. We can create a great experience, relatively quick, relatively inexpensive, right? I mean, we're 50% less than any of the competition. Most of these repairs we're doing same day. There's no mailing off your phone. You come in, most of the repairs probably within an hour.
Yep.
You'll have your device back in your hands. So, I mean, it is a win-win, not only for the customer, but also for our franchisees creating reoccurring revenue.
That's what I
And
say. It's a
having
win-win
that.
for both of them.
It's a win-win for both of them. And that's we all believe in this. We've been putting time into this, but I think the big thing that we just launched that we're very excited about is giving the visibility to the customer about their plan.
Yeah.
So Tim, tell me a little bit about that customer portal that we've done.
Yeah, we want transparency with our customers, and we want them to understand, hey, what their plans are looking like. We're not trying to hide things like a lot of the memberships, like just say, hey, they just ring you up. We give you access on our website to go into your membership and see the benefits that you get, and to see what your bills, what you've been paying, and all the data behind it too as well. So the customer portal is unbelievable. It's right on techycompany.com. And you can log in and see all the transparency right there.
Yeah, we want to show the value.
Yeah.
We believe in this. This is saving you money, time, energy,
Well,
and
don't
we want to
forget,
put that in
we
front of
ship
you.
every member from headquarters a free USB every 3 months.
Yep.
Yep.
So I mean that alone, you check in to track when you're getting your USB. Those things go through like candy. You know, so why
Especially
not?
on kids or dogs or cats, or
That alone pays for the membership.